Hey guys, it's Chris here on our page Simple Life on 16 acres, and I've got my trusty little garden helper here, Angus. What are we going to be doing today, Angus, in today's video?
Pumpkin!
We're going to be picking some pumpkins. Over behind me, I've got a compost sprouted pumpkin. I'm sure we've all had them sprout out of our compost bays over the years. So let's get busy. We're going to start picking some pumpkins and count out how many that we can harvest from this compost sprouted pumpkin vine. You pop that one in yours there, Gus. I'll keep picking them. You've got to keep on putting them in your wheelbarrow. Some are going to be heavy. Oh. There's a good sized one there. What do we got here, Gus? Yeah, put that in your wheelbarrow. I'll get another one. Put that one in my one. Whoa, that's a big one. Another one up here.
It's like my one.
Oh, these ones are a bit heavy for you, mate.
Yeah.
Those ones there are at least 4 or 5 kilo each. Some great sized pumpkins in here. This vine has just been absolutely wild compared to some that I raised from seed. Just goes to show that plants are quite resilient, especially when there's a food source here with these compost bays. The root system just gets down straight away and just enjoys all the goodness.
No.
Here's another one, Gus.
Put it in my one.
Catch. I think yours might topple over with another one in there. Wow, you got more than mine.
Put in day one.
Yep, here's another one.
My one. Oh, Daddy! It's too. Oh no, Daddy! It's too full.
Too full. Keep filling them in my one. The difference in the skin pattern here as well, and also in the stem. You can see that stem there has started to brown off. This one here is still very green, and also the skin pattern here has started to lighten up. And another good indicator when a pumpkin is starting to become ready is this different colour patterning underneath the pumpkin, generally because the sun hasn't had a chance to hit it, but you will notice this would have gone from a really green colour, and it starts to lighten up and then throw out some different colours of oranges. But obviously every pumpkin variety ripens in a slightly different way. So I think I'd call that a win. I've lost count of how many pumpkins. I wasn't counting, but I'd take an easy guess at probably 20 to 25 pumpkins here, probably coming in at, well over 50 kilo for a compost sprouted hybrid pumpkin. That's on the win. Might save some seed from one of these ones here. What do you think, Gus?
Good.
Good. You need a drink now after all that hard work. I can see you've rolled one down the hill down there as well. You were doing a pumpkin roll down the hill. I'm going to go and get the mower now and show you the next step here of how I'm going to clean up this space here. That looks much better after a mow and a clean up. My plans for this space here now, you're probably wondering what this structure is above the compost bays. Now this gives me a chance to extend our chook run, and I'm going to look at completing this build which is going to be a roosting area for the chickens to roost straight above the compost bays overnight, which is going to put the manure straight into the compost that I'm here making. How easy is that? If you enjoyed today's video of harvesting these pumpkins from the compost vine, when you've got one sprouting out of your compost pile, I'm sure you'll be more inclined to leave it and let it go and see what you might be able to get from it. If you guys are keen to see more content like what I'm putting together here on our channel here, Simple Life on 16 acres, I'm probably going to look at doing a little bit more of a video on the structure behind me here. So maybe hit that subscribe button to stay tuned on what I'm doing here on the farm here, utilising permaculture principles to make gardening and my hobby farm here interesting and easy and practical. I've got my little helper here, Gus. He's been down there in the mud. I'm going to wrap it up. See you next time.